car. I don't know what to do. Do you guys know what's wrong with our sink? Please tell us if you do.
Looks like there's a leak here.
Right here? So that just needs tightened or what? Is it to add more wet tape?
Wet tape.
Cold.
Get that on video.
Yeah. The camera's wet. That was cold water. It wasn't even warm.
It was warm. It's like more realistic. And it'd be like,
Yeah.
oh, look at him. He can't do it.
Any plumbers out there or anybody that's already made a mobile sink, please tell us what we're doing wrong. Leave a comment below.
Tweet your friend.
We need a lot of help right now. I don't know what that means.
Oh, okay. Hold that up.
That's how you're nice to me.
Please hold that up. Thank you. You're the best. And I love you.
We're trying to cover up this gap with one of these.
Looks so bad.
But we don't know what to do over here in the corner. So we're going to take it down again. So what we're going to do is take, since the wall is curved, it's not a 90-degree angle, it's curved. We're going to use this up in the corner. It's the floor. Same stuff we have at the floor for the kickboard. And it's bendable, so we're going to put this in there with the wood on top, just so that all the seams are closed. That was scary. That makes me freak out. I don't like that. It's all lit up like an IKEA.
What?
It's all lit up like an IKEA or something.
I've never been to IKEA.
Me neither. I'm just guessing.
Can you hand me that?
Uh-huh. So here are the updates that we did today. We did get this part screwed in.
Still figuring out.
Trying to figure it out.
In here.
That corner back there is rounded, so we couldn't get that to go together. So we put flooring in the corner there, and then we gotta glue it down so there's no gaps.
Smells so good in here.
And then we got mostly the sink finished, but there's still some leaks. Gonna have to redo that. And Daniel also patched, there was a hole in the floor from when we were moving out of our house. We threw all of our stuff in this trailer to move, and was it a chair or something?
It was
scratched
stove.
The stove.
Our trash run.
Sadly, it was our trash run, so it was like, why did we do that? But oh well, it scratched open the floor. There's a little munchkin in there wanting us. It's too cold.
She is not even that little.
Hold on, it's too cold. It's too cold. Should I go cuddle her? Alright, I'm going in.
Good luck.
You're gonna brave out the rest of it.